proceed to the last example for allowable bending stress. Ayan. So, example number 2, steel beam having a simple span of 8 meters is subjected to a moment M at the left and clockwise direction and 25% of M at the right and counterclockwise direction. It has no lateral supports and has the following properties. So, ibig sabihin yung dahil wala siyang lateral support sa gitna or kahit saan man, ang i-consider nating L or length is yung 8 meters mismo. So, yan. These are the properties of the wide flange. BF is equal to 210 base of the flange. Depth is 533. And the thickness of the flange is 16 millimeters. Radius of gyration is 53 millimeters. Sx is equal to 2.06 times 10 raised to 6. Fy is equal to 248 MPa. So number 1, find the slenderness ratio of the beam. Number 2, determine the allowable bending stress. And number 3, compute the moment capacity. So ayan, for the first step, aalamin natin or i-compute natin ang LC. So ayan, paano nga ba ulit i-compute ang LC? Gagamitin ito yung formula na ito. 200 BF over square root of Fy or 137,900 over Fy d times area ng flange. So, input nyo lang lahat ng mga kailangan dyan. BF is 210. Fy is 248. Ayan, 248 ulit. D is equal to 533. And area ng flange is BF times the thickness. Ayan, BF times the thickness. So, yan. Kapag may sagot na, ang pipiliin nyo dyan, use or choose the smaller number, smaller LC. So, yan. Dahil dyan, yung 2.67 yung gagamitin natin. So, after that, check if the beam is laterally supported or not. So, yan. L is equal to 8. And LC is 2.67. So, kung titignan nyo, hindi siya less than. It is greater than. So, ibig sabihin, it is laterally unsupported. Yan. The beam is laterally unsupported. So, let's proceed if it is intermediate or not. Yan. Gagamit ulit kayo ng formula na yan. Square root of 703,270 CD over Fy less than or equal to L over RT, slenderness ratio ito. Ito yung hihahanapin natin sa number 1, L over RT. So, and since itong ginagawa natin is para sa number 2, ituloy na natin para minsan ang solve. So, yan, is less than or equal to square root of 3,516,333 CB over Fy. So, titignan nyo kung meron ba tayong mga given na yan? May Fy tayo, may L is 8,000, may RT tayo. Ang wala is CB. So, ibig sabihin yan, isosolve natin ang value ng CB. Yan. So, dahil meron naman tayong, value ng moments, yun ang gagamitin natin. So, CB is equal to 1.75 plus 1.05 M1 over M2 plus 0.3 M1 over M2 squared. So, yan. Titignan nyo, naka-negative siya. Bakit? So, muna natin dito. M1 is the smaller end moment. So, ibig sabihin, ito si M1. Si 0.25. Si 25% ng M. Siya yung M1. Dahil siya yung mas maliit. At ang M2 natin is yung nasa left end na M. Titignan nyo dito, M1 over M2 is positive when moments are of the same sign or bending in the double curvature. Ibig sabihin lang niyan, kung same sila ng direction, it is positive. Kapag hindi sila pareho ng direction, ng dalawang end moments natin, negative yun. So, kung titignan dito sa problem, yung isa clockwise, yung isa counterclockwise. So, hindi sila pareho, kaya ka maglalagay ng negative sign. So, ibig sabihin, negative 0.25 M over M. Ganon din sa kabila, negative 0.25 M over M. Makakancel yung M, kaya ang sagot mo is a numerical value which is 1.51. So, i-check mo ulit yan kung lumagpas pa sa 2.3. So, hindi siya lumagpas sa 2.3, kaya ang gagamitin nating CB is 1.51. If ever na lumampas ang value ng CB natin, say for instance, it's 3.3. Lampas siya sa 2.3. So, ang gagamitin yung value ng CB is 2.3. Ganun. So, sana nagigets nyo yun. So, let's proceed to the next. Ayan. Yan. Pwede na natin siyang gamitin, yung formula na ito. Ilalagay lang natin yung mga values na nakuha natin. So, 1.51 is CB, FY is 248, L is 8,000, RT is 53. So, i-check nyo ha, laging naka-millimeters lahat ng mga units nyo. So, kapag yung given is naka-meters or meters, kailangan nyo pang i-convert sa millimeter. So, CB is 1.51 ulit at 248. Check natin kung tama ba. 65.44 is less than or equal to 150.94, correct? And 150.94 is less than or equal to 146.32, hindi. Mali. So, ibig sabihin, the beam is not an intermediate beam. So, nakuha natin yung sagot sa number 1. The slenderness ratio is equal to 150.94. Yun yung ilalagay yung sagot sa number 1. So, let's proceed na i-check natin if long beam siya. So, pili ko naman long beam ito. Check if long beam, L over RT is greater than or equal to square root of 3,516,330 CB over FY. So, yan, meron na tayong value ng L over RT na which is na 150.94. And it is greater than 146.32. Correct yan. So, ibig sabihin, ang beam natin is considered as a long beam. Yan. Dahil dyan, gagamitin natin yung formula ng FB na nakapaloob sa long beam. Ayan, isosolve nyo lang yan. Substitute all the required given. So, CB, 151, L over RT is 150.94. Ayan na. Ililipat na natin. So, yan. Dito, CB is 1.51, L is 8,000, D is 533, and area of flange is 210 times 16. Yan. Madali lang siya, puro input na lang ng given. So, FB is equal to 77.68 dito sa formula na to. Dito, ang sagot dito is 98.35. So, i-check muna natin kung nag-exceed ba siya sa 0.60 FY. So, 0.60 FY times 0.60 times 248 is equal to 148.8. So, hindi siya nag-exceed. So, it's safe to say na ang gagamitin natin dito is yung larger value which is 98.45. So, 98.45 didn't exceed 148.8. Kaya ito yung gagamitin natin. Ito yung final answer. So, ulitin ko, use the bigger value sa dalawa. Check nyo kung sinong mas malakas sa dalawang yan. Tapos, pag napili nyo na ito, hindi pa yan yung final answer. Kasi, i-check nyo pa kung nag-exceed ba siya sa 0.60 FY. So, kapag hindi siya nag-exceed, ito yung magiging final answer. Pag nag-exceed siya sa 148.8, ang sagot nyo lang is 148.8. Hindi siya pwedeng lumagpas dyan. So, yan. Next, lastly, compute the moment capacity. The moment capacity of the section, yan, makikita nyo naman binigyan tayo ng SX. So, ang magiging formula nyo dyan is FB is equal to M over SX. Meron ka ng FB, ito, nakuha mo sa number 2. Meron ka ng SX. Kukunin mo na lang is moment. Yan. So, 98.45 yung FB. SX is 2.06 times 10 raised to 6. At makukuha mo na yung moment. Moment is equal to 202.81 times 10 raised to 6 Newton millimeter. Or 202.81 kilonewton meter. Yan ang ating final answer. So, ayan. Sana nag-gets nyo yung topic. Yung last problem na ito. Ayan. Thank you.